Hello friends, today we are going to talk about the beautiful festival of Nag Panchami. So let's begin and learn something interesting about this special day. Good morning everyone. Today I am going to say a few words about the holy festival of Nag Panchami. Nag Panchami is important Hindu festival celebrated during this month of Sawan. On this day, people worship Nag Devata and prays for peace, prosperity and happiness. Snakes are considered sacred and are associated with Lord Shiva. This festival teaches us to respect nature and all living creatures. We should never harm snakes or other animals and should maintain a safe distance of them. Nag Panchami reminds us that every creature has important place in nature. Let us celebrate this festival with kindness and respect for the environment. थैंक यू एंड हैप्पी नाग पंचमी। अगर आपको नाग पंचमी स्नैक का ड्राइंग बनाए तो आप ये वीडियो देख सकते हो। तो मैं आपको सीधे उसी वीडियो में मिलूंगा। बाय बाय।